Hi friends, this is Aaron. You're watching Aaron Lab. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. As you know, most of the videos in my channel are related to propellers and blades like vacuum cleaners and blowers, etc. Because I like to make these things, and gratefully I got good comments like this. So now I decided to make a related project, that is portable fan under 300 rupees only. Let's get started. First, we need propellers. Each propeller is 50 rupees on Amazon. I put the link in the description to buy. Next, we need 775 DC motor 12 volts rating. According to me, I pay only 50 rupees to get these motors. But how? That's why there is a video in my channel, that is where we get 775 DC motor at low cost. So I put the video link in the description. Please check, it may help to save your money. Let's watch the making process. I used 12 volts adapter which cost 150 rupees. So now the project is completed. Okay, let's check how it works. Motor 50 rupees, propeller 50 rupees, and 150 rupees adapter.
and 50 rupees for the PVC pipes. So the total cost is 300 rupees only.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Recently I started making the project. It will arrive soon. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.